Bonjour from Marseille in France. Today we are on board MSC Seaview and we are heading into Marseille. We're going to do it the cheapest way possible, the fastest way possible, and I'm going to share some tips with you along the way of how to get to the city without even paying. So our plan today is, I don't know if you can see it, but the Notre-Dame up on the hill. When we docked this morning, I saw it and I thought, well, that's where we want to start our day, all the way up there. So we're going to catch a taxi all the way there because it's pretty far, and even if we caught the free shuttle to the city, we'd still have to walk about 40 minutes up the hill, and it's really steep. So we're going to start there. We're going to go down to the city and we're going to have a look at all the boats and the city centre before we make our way up to the Palais Longchamp, and from there we'll probably just work out a way to get back home. I'm assuming it's going to be a taxi again. But if your cruise ship offers you the transfers to the city, because you can't really walk to the city from here, it's too far, it's about a 20-minute drive. Our cruise ship on MSC was offering transfers. They were €14 per person to get to the city. But a little bit of a tip, if you just walk about 100 metres this way towards the out of the cruise port, there's a free shuttle bus that takes you to the city. So you definitely don't have to pay the €14 just to get to the city. Free shuttle bus is the way to go, but we're doing a taxi today because we're going to go all the way out the top and walk all the way back down. We'll see you on the way. So this is the lineup for the shuttle bus. MSC are offering the shuttle bus €14 per person to the city, which they said is a 15-minute drive. We're just trying to work out if there's any other better options. I think we're deciding the taxi option is best for us.
I grew up in Paris, so I know Paris very, very well. But Marseille is no stress.
Just relax.
It's cool. No traffic, no stress. A little bit traffic when we have the cruise, but today we have only 2. I can say that. Yesterday we have 4 ships. Yesterday, so it was full of people, but today it's cool.
All right, we have a ride. That was probably the best taxi ride we've ever had. One, we're in a Tesla, and the driver was telling us everything about the history of the town. He was pointing out all the major things that we should go see, telling us the best way to get there, gave us his phone number, telling us even about the tour that we're about to do at the Notre-Dame here. So that was a really good taxi ride. But we're here. He's told us the best way to view this Notre-Dame is to head up the stairs, go to the viewing area before going inside. So from up here, you can probably see we've got a view of the whole area of Marseille. So very good viewing area. But straight away, let's head upstairs and see what else we can see. I can see the cruise ship. You can see all the churches down there as well. Actually, you can see the cruise cabin really close. Come have a look. It looks like there's a little bit of flow of traffic, so we're just trying to work out which way. I think we're moving, everyone's going to the right and then coming out from the back. You see a drawbridge? Oh, it is too. Drawbridge. So we've come up the left-hand side and we're going to head inside now.
No, that's a pay one.
D'accord. Ok, go.
Oopsie.
We're talking again.
No cap. There's no filming.
It's just silence.
Smells old. Does that mean musky or? I can smell the wood.
Non lo so. Non devi mezzo sass. Lasciamo stare, ieri non so.
Let's see what they sell at a church shop. Library. Making our way back down. There was a crypt down here. See if we can get inside of that. Which way was that? In here? Sorry? 1853 it started getting built. €5, you can put a candle in here. All done at the Notre-Dame now. So it was good. We were here for about 20 minutes or so. Most people, yeah, half an hour. Probably don't need too much more than that unless you're going to go up there for a prayer. We are going to walk down into town now. It looks like it's only about a 10-15 minute walk, but it's all downhill, so it can't be too hard. And we've been walking a lot more than we have today. So let's meet you in town. The walk down to the city is pretty steep. We've been walking downhill this steep for about 5 minutes so far, and the streets just don't seem to end. Oh my God, I am so grateful we caught a taxi up. This is definitely a tip. The walk from the city says only 35 minutes, but I can't tell you how steep of a walk this is. And this is not the steepest road. Once you got to the top of this, it was then straight up to the Notre-Dame. It's really steep. So catching a taxi was the best option for us, seeing as that we only have to walk down now. We have made it down to the old city, or the city of Marseille. You can see ahead of me there's the part of the old city walls. Our taxi driver was telling us this might be a good area to explore as well. Down here in the city it sort of feels like a mixture of half Saint-Tropez and half Paris, if you've been to any of those locations. Just passing by the Abbey Saint Victor here in Marseille. Apparently it's famous. Thanks, bus. Apparently this is famous. I will put some details below if I find out why. This is probably a really good suggestion here. The little train that goes around the city. It covers all the major historical sites. We're not going to do it, but I think that might be a good way to get around, because if you do start heading up the hills, as I was saying, it's really hilly. Down here in the city is completely flat, but anywhere else you're going up hills. They also have the option of those normal hop-on, hop-off buses like they have in most of the major cities. So you've got that option, you've got the train option. It is pretty warm, so it might be again something else to consider. Sort of feel like we're home in Melbourne at the moment with the trams coming up the street. You got your Mikey?
Mikey works, yeah. St. Vincent depot.
We have made it all the way up the hill again, and we are at the Palais Longchamp. It's pretty impressive. I just said, wow, it looks like we're in Vegas. Jan said it's definitely more impressive than Vegas. We'll cross over the road and enter. All, or nearly all of these historical sites here in Marseille are all free entry. So it's a bit of a bonus if you're coming here.
Probably got a much better shot over here.
I know, this one's pretty impressive. I think water just makes everything better. It's 32 degrees here today, so it would be really nice to get near the water. Can you feel the mist? From up the top here, you can see how far we've walked today. So we were up the top there at the Notre-Dame, and we walked all the way down the hill. We walked around the port, the old city, where all the cruise, or not cruise ships, all the yachts and stuff were. And then we've walked all the way up to this one. All right, we have made it back to the cruise port. It was just another €31 taxi ride back here, all the way from the Palais Longchamp. Is that where we went to? That was the prettiest place that we went to. Out of everything we went to, that one was pretty unbelievable. It was stunning. It was grand. It was cooling too, because all the water was splashing on us when we were there. We got to achieve everything we wanted to achieve, and now we're going to head back on board and relax. We'll see you at our next port of Genoa.